sorry.
Seasons just pull them from under my nose. In the blink of an eye, the whole world was stripped bare, and I felt like I'd never been there at all. We were holding on to the pieces that did not exist. Who built the house the wind blew? Didn't they know what all the clouds knew? Your head was screaming, don't get wet. It was so loud, you never heard the rain, the rain, the rain. Never quite got to the top of the tree. The wind shakes a branch and that's the end of me. If its arms let you fall, you won't live to regret the moment you rose from your bed. You'd be up there, I'd be down here. You could see all the way over the forest. You'd throw me a rope, I'd pretend not to see. I'd turn with my tail by my knees, holding on to the pieces that did not exist. Oh, who built the house the wind blew? Didn't they know what all the clouds knew? Your head was screaming, don't get wet. It was so loud, you never heard the rain. Someone strip me to my bones, throw me out to sea.